Hello, this is George Beyrouthi from FS Securities, giving you the weekly market wrap-up on Saturday the 15th of December 2018. Over the full week and from around the globe, we start with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which had a weekly fall of 288 points or 1.2%. As a matter of interest, the Dow was down 5.6% over the last 2 weeks. That is 1,437. Well, what does it mean for our local market, you may ask? Well, the ASX 200 futures contract, if any indication, is predicting that our market most likely will open on Monday down 30 points. And at the closing bell on Friday and over the full week, our market was down 79 points or 1.4% and closed at 5,602. Over the last 2 weeks, the ASX was down 1.2%. Looking across all sectors, the best sector last week from our technical analysis, metal and mining was up 2.6%, followed by resources up 1.8%. The losers were actually information and communication, down 6.3%, followed by consumer staples, down 2.9%. Across the top stocks, the best performing stock last week from some of the major companies, BHP was up nearly 4%, followed by CIMIC, the old Leighton Holdings, up 3.8%. Worst performing stocks last week, Telstra was down 6.8%, followed by QBE, down 5.1%. Gold this morning at 1,242 US per ounce, a weekly fall of $12, that's 0.9%. Silver over last week was down 0.4% to $14.65 US per ounce. And West Texas crude oil had a weekly fall of 1.7% to $51.23 US per barrel. Iron ore imported for BHP, Rio and Fortescue was trading at $67.65 US per ton. The Aussie dollar this morning will exchange for 71.8 US cents. That is almost a quarter of a cent down from this time last week. And Bitcoin this morning was trading at 3,210 US. That's a weekly fall of 525 US from this time last week. And that converts to approximately 4,470 Australian dollars. At FS Securities, our trading decisions are based on technical analysis to determine the trend without ignoring the fundamental factors. Remember that the trend is your friend until the end. Whilst the charts are showing the trend, additional analysis may tell you if the trend is no longer your friend. If you are concerned about a possible correction or a large fall in the market, you can always take insurance against it. And for more information, please consult with us or with your professional advisor. And of course, the content of this report is only of general advice only, and because we don't know your financial circumstances.